In the next part, we will focus on understanding bid management, its history, impact, and key players. We will delve into the strategic role of bid management, its evolution, and the value it brings to organizations. We'll also examine how leading companies approach bid management. Securing those big contracts and projects is vital for a company's long-term health. While having a great product or service is important, you also have to be able to effectively sell that value within a formal bidding process. That's where bid management comes in. It's a structured and systematic way to maximize your chances of winning. Bid management is far more than just the tactical act of filling out forms and submitting documents. Bid management hasn't always been as structured as it is today. Initially, it was often done in an ad hoc way, with sales or technical teams handling it alongside their other duties. But as contracts became larger and more complex and competition increased, companies realized they needed a more organized approach. Project management principles were adopted, and the focus shifted to really understanding and addressing the client's needs. The arrival of digital technology further transformed the process, with electronic submissions and proposal automation software becoming the norm. The importance of good bid management isn't just anecdotal. We have data to back it up. For example, companies with well-defined processes see higher win rates. Organizations with well-defined bid management processes consistently report higher win rates compared to those with ad hoc approaches. According to Lupio's 2025 RFP Response Trends and Benchmarks report, the average RFP win rate across all industries is 45%, up from 43% in 2024. A structured bid management process ensures that proposals are compliant, compelling, and clearly articulate the value proposition. Lohfeld Consulting Group emphasizes that applying 7 quality measures – compliant, responsive, compelling, customer-focused, easy to evaluate, well-written, and visually appealing – can more than double proposal win rates. Investing in bid management resources leads to greater efficiency and reduced costs. Implementing generative AI, Gen AI, in proposal development can lead to a 30% reduction in average proposal hours, potentially allowing for a 40% increase in the number of proposals submitted. Effective bid management involves a thorough qualification process, ensuring that resources are focused on opportunities with the highest probability of success. Teams that are more selective about the RFPs they respond to, using a strong bid/no-bid process, are experiencing greater outcomes. Bid management fosters collaboration across different departments, including sales, marketing, technical teams, and finance. APMP emphasizes the pivotal role of collaboration between bids and sales in increasing win rates and securing more work. Consistently submitting high-quality and professional proposals enhances an organization's brand reputation in the marketplace, even when unsuccessful. Lohfeld Consulting Group's application of 7 quality measures not only improves win rates, but also helps government contractors compete more effectively, thereby enhancing their reputation. Modern bid management leverages data and analytics to track performance, identify trends, and make informed decisions about which opportunities to pursue and how to improve future bids. Lupio's 2025 RFP Response Trends and Benchmarks report provides insight into industry benchmarks, helping teams make data-driven decisions to improve their processes. Let's look at how some leading organizations approach bid management. As a global professional services company, Accenture handles a vast number of complex bids across diverse industries. Their approach emphasizes a highly structured and process-driven methodology, leveraging global resources and expertise. They often utilize dedicated bid centers, equipped with advanced proposal automation platforms and knowledge management systems, to manage the volume and complexity of their bids. Their focus is on demonstrating deep industry knowledge, understanding the client's business outcomes, and delivering highly tailored solutions. Another technology giant, IBM, has a long history of sophisticated bid management. Their approach often involves a strong emphasis on understanding the client's strategic imperatives and aligning their proposed solutions with those objectives. They leverage extensive and well-maintained libraries of reusable content, case studies, and best practices accessible through their internal knowledge platforms. IBM employs rigorous review processes, often involving multiple layers of subject matter experts and senior leadership, to ensure the quality, accuracy, and compliance of their proposals. Their bid teams are typically cross-functional, bringing together expertise from various business lines. As one of the Big Four accounting and consulting organizations, Deloitte's bid management approach is characterized by a strong focus on client relationships and a deep understanding of their business context. They often invest significant time in pre-bid engagement, working closely with potential clients to shape opportunities and co-create solutions. Their proposals emphasize the value they bring through their industry-leading expertise, insightful analysis, and global network. Deloitte's bid teams are often led by senior partners who bring deep client knowledge and strategic perspectives to the process. Publicly available sample proposal documents from Deloitte demonstrate their structured approach. While lacking the extensive resources of larger corporations, smaller and more agile companies can implement effective bid management by focusing on clearly defined and streamlined processes. They often leverage the deep expertise within their core team, assigning clear responsibilities and fostering strong internal communication. They may utilize more cost-effective proposal automation tools or rely on well-structured templates and collaborative document editing platforms. Their agility allows them to tailor their responses quickly and directly to the specific needs of the client, often emphasizing innovation and personalized solutions. Despite their differences, successful bid management approaches share some common elements: a formal bid process, rigorous qualification criteria, strong collaboration, customer centricity, a compelling value proposition, high-quality proposal content, rigorous review processes, post-submission follow-up, and a commitment to continuous improvement. In conclusion, bid management is a strategic function. It's not just about responding to RFPs, it's about driving sustainable growth and creating a competitive advantage. From its historical roots in evolving procurement practices to its demonstrable impact on win rates, efficiency, and brand reputation, bid management has emerged as a critical, strategic discipline. The significance of effective bid management can be quantified through various data points and observed impacts on organizational performance.